Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today let's learn about synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings and they often offer alternatives for expressing the same idea or the concept. Here are some of the examples of synonyms: happy, joyful, big, large, small, teeny, smart, intelligent, fast, quick. Happy and joy both convey a sense of positive emotions and well being. They can be used interchangeably to describe feelings of happiness or delight. Big and large both refer to size and magnitude. They describe objects or spaces that are significant in dimensions, such as big house or a large room. Small and teeny both indicate a lack of size or dimensions, but teeny suggests something even smaller. Smart and intelligent both describe mental acuity and ability to comprehend and solve problems. Fast and quick both describe speed or rapidity in motion or action. Why synonyms matter? Learning synonyms expands our vocabulary, and synonyms inspire creativity in writing, and synonyms enable effective communication by providing options for choosing the most appropriate word. There are three types of synonyms: absolute synonyms, partial synonyms, near synonyms. Absolute synonyms. These words share identical meanings, allowing for seamless interchangeability without altering the meaning. For instance, identical and indistinguishable can be used interchangeably without changing the intended meaning. Insect and bug are examples of absolute synonyms. Partial synonyms have similar meanings with slight differences, often in degree or specificity. For example, good and excellent convey similar ideas, but excellent implies a higher degree of quality. Big and gigantic are partial synonyms. Near synonyms have related meanings. They cannot be used interchangeably without altering the message. For instance, smart and witty both relate to intelligence, but witty implies a cleverness or humor not necessarily conveyed by smart. Similarly, river and creek are near synonyms. Can you find the synonyms for the below words? Like for funny, we can have hilarious as a synonym, angry, furious, beautiful, gorgeous, fast, quick. Similarly, find the synonyms for the remaining words and write in the comments. Thank you, everyone. Please let me know if you need this content. I can send you the PDF of this content. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.